Guys, this is why we don't crack our back. We have 12 rib segments. A lot of times when you self-crack or you self-adjust, you don't know which segment you're popping. So if you pop T12, you'll also spasm your lower back. We have a lot of muscles that attach to T12, but also inside the rib cage. Let's say you pop T4 through the mid-back, you're probably gonna spasm your neck, right? Or your shoulder, because a lot of these things will also control the health of the shoulder, but also the neck. So a better solution, gently stretch. If you're popping or you're pushing past a physiological state, like a barrier of a joint, you're gonna get issues. If you do a stretch and you work into it, yeah, you'll get the release, but you're also not thrusting past what the body wants to give you. If you want a simple solution at home, watch my next reel with some stretches you can do.